All right, here is a short video on how to get the graphs, the data from your Google Form survey into your presentation. So here's my fake prob stats survey. Here's all my questions. And then up here it says responses. I click responses. And you can see it's already made graphs of all the responses to my survey. So for example, what grade are you in? I got 10 responses. I made this nice little pie chart with a nice little key. And it's easy to get this into my survey. If I just click this little copy chart button, it's just copied it into the clipboard. So I can go over to my presentation, just right click, click paste, and there it is. Okay, and you can resize it however you want. So you probably want to have it be like one slide per graph, or else it's going to be too small to read. So here's my second slide. And then again, if I want this one, I just click this little button, and then it is making me a copy of that graph. And here we go. Here's my next one, gender. So that's how you get your data from your survey into your presentation. You just click this button and it copies it. And then you just can right click and paste, or you can just Control V and paste. One thing I want to tell you about is you probably didn't want to do a short answer because you're going to come up with like a bunch of stuff. Like somebody put wash your hands and somebody put wash your hands, but because they typoed it, they came up as two different responses, which is why we tell you don't do short answer, because you'll get so much different answers, it's really hard to show it graphically.